Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
Hello everyone. Today we will learn about an chatbot builder. It trains ChatGPT on your data and lets you add a chat widget to your website. Just upload a document or add a link to your website and get a chatbot that can answer any question about their content. So let's get started. First of all, go to chatbase.co and create an account on this website. Once you have created your account and logged into this website, you can just start building your own chatbot. So first of all, click on Build Your Chatbot button. Now here you can just upload the files related to your business, your company, or your website. Keep in mind that you can just upload PDF and document files and any TXT file here. If you have any file related to your business, then you can just add it here. Otherwise, you can just click on text and you can just paste content about your business here. Click on the upload button. I have already written a file of my cover letter that I will select and upload here. Click on open. Now you can click on text. So I have written a brief description that I will add here. Right click and click paste. Now you can add your websites. Don't forget to add HTTPS or HTTP in front of your URL. Now click on Fetch Links. It will take some time to crawl and fetch all the links on your website. Just wait for a while. Alright. As you can see, it has fetched all the links from your website. So if you want to add more links manually, then you can click on Add button and give the URL here. Otherwise, it will fetch almost all the links from your website automatically. After adding all the information, click on Create Chatbot. Just wait for a while and your own chatbot will be created. As you can see, the notification is still training your chatbot on the provided links. This will take a few minutes. So now this AI tool is training your ChatGPT chatbot for your personal or business use. Your chatbot is trained and ready. You can now use your chatbot. So now I can ask any question about myself or my business from this chatbot, such as, I'll just write, please tell me about my experience and skills, and click enter. So now it knows very well what are my skills and it is giving me the complete information. You can also do different settings of your chatbot. You can ask your chatbot any questions about yourself or your business, or you can also embed or install it to your website. Click on Settings, and here you will get a chatbot ID, number of characters that you have used. You can also give a name to it, and then save. You can also give a base prompt to your chatbot here. As you can see, a sample base prompt is already added. That is, I want you to act as a document that I am having a conversation with. Your name is AI Assistant. So here I can also change or update this name. Now click on Save. You can also set whether you want to use this chatbot privately or whether you want to embed it to your website or make it public. After adding all these settings, you can also add your contact here, such as your name, your email, your phone number. So this is optional. You can also create a chatbot interface, such as your initial question, your suggested messages, your theme, or you can even select a profile picture. For now, I am just selecting one from here. Keep in mind that the size should not exceed from 1 MB. You can also type a display name, select any color, and you can also select a chat icon. After doing all these settings, click Save. Now you can also set the notifications from here, whether you want to receive the emails or not. Then click on Dashboard. This is your dashboard where you will get all your conversations. Now you can click on Sources and you can now update all your information here. You can also upload or delete the files. You can also edit the text here and you can also give a website URL here. You can just edit it anytime. Click on Integrations. So the best part is that you can integrate this chatbot with different AI tools such as Zapier, Slack, WordPress, Messenger, Shopify, and WhatsApp. So wherever you want this chatbot, you can just integrate this chatbot with that tool. Or select this option if you want to embed this to your website. Click on Share. If you will click on Make Public, then your chatbot will become public. So right now I am just canceling this, and you can also delete this chatbot from here. So the best part is that you can give your chatbot all information about your website or a business or yourself, and then you can embed or install that chatbot to your website. So your chatbot will be trained to talk to your customers, your clients, your visitors on your behalf. This Chatbase supports 95 languages. You can have your sources in any language and ask it questions in any language. So you must try this chatbot to connect your data sources. Keep learning, and let's meet our new session with a new tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.